When vans are the lifeblood of your business, it's essential that the accessories inside are of the highest quality. Here at American Van, we've supplied service contractors across America with premium storage solutions and serviced their vehicle upfit needs since 1978. As we continue growing into multiple showroom locations across the country, we are eager to present our full line of van and truck equipment and installation capabilities. Our showrooms feature all our best-in-class commercial vehicle essentials: ladder racks, shelving, partitions, floor storage units, small parts cabinets, mobile offices, and custom purpose organizers. And by manufacturing right here in the U.S., we're able to hold every piece to the highest standards. That's why we're so proud to showcase every American Van product out on that floor. You can see and feel the quality workmanship for yourself. And as always, American Van's friendly on-site customer service and product experts are on hand to assist in selecting your optimal storage needs. We know your vehicles need to be back on the road quickly, so each of our locations features full-service installation facilities with multiple bays to get you in and back to work as efficiently as possible. Our factory-trained technicians ensure expert installations that are meticulously tailored to your specific needs. So rest assured, your vehicle is in the hands of specialists, no matter what type of work is getting done. This unparalleled attention to detail and safe, organized workspaces makes American Van a trusted choice for professionals in need of prompt vehicle upfitting. And since we're part of the Safe Fleet family of brands, you can be confident in knowing that you're dealing with the trusted fleet safety experts. We're passionate about our products, services, and providing you with solutions that prioritize safety and efficiency. So visit an American Van showroom today and experience it for yourself.